Hey everybody, welcome to Boom City Breaks on Thursday, February the 23rd, and tonight we are breaking boom boxes. This is our exclusive product, and we did random team sales. You can see on the far left, this is a 3-box break, and we've already randomized the teams and the customers. We then alphabetized them, gave them ample opportunity to trade. Wow. Well, NW, you said Seattle was going to hit, didn't you? Boom, just teasing. That there, folks, is a Rob Gronkowski. Fellas, a big old beautiful Rob Gronkowski. I really love this jersey, guys. It's really a great looker, and it's huge. Beautiful, beautiful jersey. There you go, fellas. That is going to be a Rob Gronkowski. Not too bad of a way to start out a 3-boxer. Who has New England? New England. Wow, Lawman with the one-timer there, fellas. Yep, that is a Lawman with the one-timer on the Gronk. Let us see what we gonna get. We gonna go to our left. We gonna go to our left and break that. Pop. Yep, MLB's a 2 jersey, bud. Well, I added in there upside down, but there you go, folks. That is going to be a Todd Gurley. It's a custom Mr. Todd Gurley, pulling a lot of young running backs of today. That is going to be an LA hit for SD Tiger. All right. SD Tiger. Here we go. Pop of the seals. Oh, God. Oh, man. I genuinely feel bad here, guys. Yes, sir, boy. This is a Seattle hit. Yep. And it's a beauty, guys. She's a dual signed on each number. It's really a great jersey. Each one has they only sent me one of the PSAs though. All right. The other one's got a sticker, but the other one's got the sticker and the cert. They did only send me one cert for it though. But again, guys, it's a beautiful looking jersey, and it is dual signed, folks. Dual signed. Yeah, it's both by him. It's both autos are by him. Yeah, they're both. Yeah, so there's him on each number. I'm sorry, but again, Steel Curtain. Steel Curtain's gonna get that baby. Yeah, thanks for stopping on in, Vish. All right, folks, Steel Curtain's going to get that one. Hawkward, now you can. Now it's available for trade, but I couldn't trade it before, you know, so. That is going to wrap up our 3-boxer of boom boxes. Not too bad. Hit a few young running backs and a huge tight end. Thank you. We appreciate it, and have a good one. What? Oh, it's a 4-boxer. It is a 4. You're right. Yep. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm going to grab the next one. I didn't stop my recording. No, it's a 3. Wait, what am I? What about no. Oh, you traded for Seattle? Yeah, no. You guys are freaking me out here. All right, but I'm seeing Steel Curtain. All right. Well, yeah, I can't. God, man. You guys are like, yeah, but it says steel curtain on the dock. When all right, I went by the dock. I'm not watching chat, guys. What does this say?